the talking rabbit, and the kind lion. Leo stands on a sunlit rock, roaring to the forest. Small animals hide behind trees, watching the king. Rico approaches the cave entrance, greeting the king politely. Leo steps forward, surprised by Rico's courage. Rico speaks kindly. True kings protect, not frighten. Cries for help echo from the riverside clearing. Leo tries to break the net, pulling with all his strength. Rico calls for mice. Work together and chew the ropes. Mice chew the ropes while Leo distracts the hunter. The deer breaks free and the forest celebrates. Leo thanks Rico. True strength is kindness. Morning peace returns. Leo greets the forest kindly.